What percent you want?
So, help me out on this. I'm trying to see. I know 35 in the front. Yeah. You don't think I should go too dark, do you? Like 15?
Yeah. It's doing 2 times. Hey, Buddha. Yeah. It's doing 2 times. I do everything. Yeah, it's doing lifestyle. Check out my podcast, doing lifestyle. I do everything. Yeah, I do everything. Yeah, subscribe. I do everything. Yeah, I'm coming like a train. Took the horn up. You know I'm doing my fucking thing.
Man, y'all already know what it is, man. Night, but your boy finna go drop this thing off. Yes, sir. We finna drop this thing off, man. Man, I be working, bro. I'm telling you, y'all, bro, I be working, man. I know it's dark as hell. Y'all just bear with me. I know it's dark. But y'all just bear with your boy. Y'all see that in the background? She going to follow me, man. Finna go drop this thing off. Yes, sir. It's that sweet pussy. Nah, man, what's up with it? Yep. How she look, man? I just got her. I'm gonna get the top dead and shit.
I wonder why the hell you sprayed that.
Huh?
I wonder why the hell
Yeah, I just did it because I ain't want to leave it like that. I'll just dark gray, something like that. Yeah, dark gray. They got a pearl in it. Yep. Just gotta change the game. So, man, though I was telling myself, I said, man, I think if I tint it out, because I ain't gonna change my inside, man. So I'm gonna try to tint this mug out, man. I think
had found a cutlass and it had 305.
Yeah, 305. Because I think if I tint this, it's gonna make it all kind of flow. I can get 15 in the back. I don't want to off do it. I just want to kind of. I think that windshield gonna make it kind of dark anyway. Okay. So what can I use to get this off? Take it off. Okay. What's up with the YouTube? It's your boy Dortmund, man. Y'all back with another video. Man, we out here today, man. We're doing a little work, man, on the box. You know what I'm saying? And y'all can see, man, it is goddamn raining last night, man. I'm talking about storm. Goddamn limb fell on top of the roof. Boy, we outside working today, man. I want to show y'all something, man. I wanted to drop the car off yesterday when they got this thing tinted out. But I didn't get it fully tinted. I just wanted to do a little tint on there, kind of give me a little vision, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working on today. So I'm gonna put y'all right here, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. So I went 35 all the way around. I like that little squat thing. Let me do y'all a little walk around real quick, man. Y'all got her up in there. Do a little walk around, man. So let me get y'all on this side real quick. All right, man. So I went and I already ordered the piece. Like I said, I'm thinking about getting a new top already. I'm thinking about a peanut butter. I'm thinking about a peanut butter top, man. I don't know yet. Cause if you can see that little goldish in there, and I think if I do like a peanut butter top, it might go hard. But I went ahead and ordered the piece like this. I ordered that piece so I can put it on. And so I, you know, I'm just gonna put it on there for right now. And it's just gonna be for time being. And it's gonna be gold also, so that'll like I said, it's kind of naked. So if you look at this one, you look at this, you'll kind of see if that was missing, it'll be naked. And that one definitely naked. So put that little Chevy sign on right there. It'll pop some more, you know. It'll be more of getting back to the Chevy, you know. But like I said, I went and got 35 all the way around. I even did the windshield. I don't think I showed y'all this yet, but I did the windshield too. So y'all, it's a vision coming, man. It's coming, man. I just gotta, I'm gonna get a T-hour grill soon, man. It's gonna be one of the two. Either the T-hour grill or the EGR grill, the gold, man. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't gonna cap. 2-hour grill, man, them bitches is expensive. God damn. $1 million smile, but they're expensive though. I'd be okay with the, I don't know if they call them the bullet grills, EGR, EGR grills, something like that. I really think that'll go hard too. It'll get that OG smile. So, me, y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit. Me, I'm a little different. I still rock back then, back in the day type thing. What I seen, what I like, you know. So, some of this stuff, y'all, a lot of people going forwards and stuff. Like, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Just because the 30s on here in the chrome 30s don't mean it's gonna always be the chrome 30s. Cause next year or something like that, I'm probably gonna just go get some more 30s, and it's gonna be similar. Like it might, you know, it's gonna be the brush, but it's gonna be some different 30s on here. You know what I'm saying? So y'all don't sleep on that car. I'm telling you. But these are the brothers and sisters, man. So like I said, we went to get this thing tinted out yesterday. Got my pinstripe on there, as y'all can see. I feel like I need to, what the hell is that? Oh, I know what that is. I feel like I need to take the stickers off. I don't know, the stickers is throwing me off a little bit. I don't know, maybe, y'all let me know, man. Is the stickers throwing y'all off a little bit? You know, I like to represent my name. I like to ride side by side. You know what I'm saying, with my names on there, but maybe, I don't know, maybe it's just me. Y'all let me know, man. I like the little squat. So what I did, y'all can see how I look up in there, a little better. I got all 4 of my tires that came off here, my factory tires, they're in the trunk. And I did get my trunk latch covered up too, but I got the pop lock. But I did put all 4 of my tires to kind of give me that little squat a little bit. Probably gonna go and get alignment so it can kind of sit them wheels kind of in a little bit. I think that's how the alignment works. Normally when you get alignment, they'll kind of sit the wheels inside. So, like I said, we went ahead and got this whole thing tinted, but we couldn't get this glass tinted, man. So, I'm gonna go ahead and take this door panel off. I'm gonna try it one more time, see if I can take these down, let this window up, man. It'll let down, but it won't let up. And I don't wanna let it all the way down. But we're gonna have some upgrades, so I gotta find this piece and find that piece, you know what I'm saying, to put on there. Let me see. Definitely gotta get the headliner and all that stuff. So, like I said, I'm gonna wait till I get the top did. Y'all can see the top, man, you know. So, the top can kind of throw you off a little bit. And I ain't worried about the inside. I ain't getting the inside did right now. The inside ain't gonna stay like that. I ain't finna fool with all that. But this just gonna be the outside. So, y'all let me know. I don't know. Like I said, the peanut butter top probably go hard on here. So it's just something that I'm building. Hope y'all enjoy it. But yeah, in the meantime, I don't know. I tried to take this damn thing off. I'm gonna get my screwdrivers and stuff. I tried to take this door panel off, man, but this shit was hard. It's that time, so I'm gonna try in the process of taking this, try to take the door panel off, y'all, and try to get this window up, man. So I kind of let y'all know if I find a way to do it and let y'all know how. But I know y'all probably gonna want to just see all of it right now. But I just want to give y'all a little walk around. I still got my radio, matter of fact. Let me go and get that out the truck. If it's still in here. Okay. I still got the radio. And I'ma still keep the this radio came with the car. I'ma still keep the factory look. I'ma still keep that in there, factory. I ain't gonna mess with it. Let's So I'm gonna do that, and then the door speakers, these speakers down here, I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna do that. Cause I think he just got those hooked up and not those, I think. I don't even think the one in the back hooked up. So I'm gonna get that soon. Man, I must have left my third brake light. Oh. I was finna say. So I know I had a third brake light. But yeah, they go back there. So y'all, hook caps. So yeah, we definitely gonna do that. And we gotta find the knobs for them. We'll go up in there. And like I said, we're gonna try to get some sound in here one day, man. But not right now, but one day we're gonna get some sound. I'm gonna go ahead and take this stuff loose. So I already got this off. And to take this off, y'all, what y'all have to do is pull forward and pop up, or this way. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, that way. Pull, pop it that way. After you take these two bolts out, pop it that way, it'll come up. Then you know you'll unhook your lock brake wires and stuff. And you just kind of gotta just search for these screws. So you know it's a screw here, this screw, and this screw. They tighten up. Gonna be another one here, and another one here. Anytime y'all doing this, be careful also, because you definitely don't want no screws to fall down and run over. So definitely don't want that. It's the cool part. Mind y'all, I already took it apart one time, so that's why I'm moving fast. I already kind of. All right. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys, we'll cut y'all back on, because I don't know where to start at. Y'all, man. Hey, y'all ain't gonna believe what I just did. So I just figured it out. So what I did was I went and got a battery. Well, I got my old battery. Got two wires, you know, one positive, one negative. This wire right here, this blue wire, this goes to the actual motor of the, you know, your regulator motor and stuff, right? So that goes to the motor, so I just unplug them. It's only two wires, so I'm guessing it's a positive or negative. I don't know. So I noticed if it would have let down, if I touch them, it either would have went down. If I would have twitched the wires and put them on there, it would have let up. So tell me why as soon as I touched them on there, it started letting up, y'all. So I'm gonna let y'all see it. This is how I put it on there. I just got two wires, just clamp them on there. But as y'all can see, I twisted lines on there. And you're gonna take off your door panels and all that stuff. Take out all the door panel, you know, your bolts and stuff like that. Take this one panel off. And then this thing gonna come behind your door panel, so you're gonna take that off. All right, so if you can get your hand in here, and y'all can see the, well, y'all can't see, but I got my motor right there, my window motor. It's gonna come with these two wires on here. It's gonna come with these two wires. So you can get your hand up in there so you can take it off. And you just gonna, I don't know if y'all can see, but y'all see when I took the wires off, this is a palm here and a palm there. You just gonna touch them palms and it's gonna let your window back up. So all right, guys, let me sit y'all down. Sit y'all down. Show y'all how I did this. Boom. She's up. I don't know if vice versa will let it down, I'm not sure. So, how can I do it? I probably need to make me a little switch while I can. That's what I'm probably gonna do, y'all. That way, cause she won't let down. It might just be another video. I don't know if I got time to do it now. So, yeah, guys, that's all you do, man. So she finally up now, finally. Ain't take long at all, man. So it's crazy because, like I said, I did it before. I just didn't do the wire thing to the motor part. I did the wire thing to the actual window part right here, and that's when it let down, but it wouldn't let up. Even when I twist the wires, it just sparked. It didn't let up no more. So, but when I did it with the motor, that's when it did it. But maybe y'all going through the same thing. Y'all can kind of see. So I was just cleaning up my thing, and I found this. That actually go here. So we finna put this on. So I'm gonna pop the trunk. Let me go and put this on real quick. All right, now I got everything tied up and everything. We got the radio back on. All right, we're a back factory. Back factory. I just couldn't. Yeah, we back factory, man. I really wanted the gold on it, but it's all good. That gold wasn't right, so it is what it is. If y'all new to the channel, y'all subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notifications on, man, so y'all can be updated, alerted, and everything that's gonna be going on with Doinks Lifestyle channel. So y'all turn on post notifications on. Don't forget to subscribe. Box Chevy back to back. Brothers and sisters, big brother, little sister. Let's get it. We cut y'all out. We just wanted y'all to hear real quick, man. Hear a purr before we let y'all go. All right, so I found out my muffler got a little hole in it right here. Got a hole in it right here. Found that out. So it's actually quieter than this. But I just want y'all to hear that more purr. Y'all to hear that thing purr, that's all. She actually be quieter than that.